Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Discord audio. Super easy, super quick. But before we get into it, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really supports me. So first thing you want to do is go into Discord and open up the settings. And once you get into the settings area, you're going to scroll all the way down on the left side to voice and video. Now, as you can see, you need to set in your input device. A lot of times, Windows or other device will just auto select, and it may not be the correct input device. So, here I'm using a desktop mic. You could be using a headphone mic. You're going to go ahead and click on the correct one. As you can see, there may be multiple options. So go ahead and select the correct one. Now, the next tip is just to make sure that your input volume is at where you want it to be. Depending on your input mode, you may be on push to talk by mistake versus voice activity. So go ahead and make sure all these things are correctly inputted. And then, if you want to, you can turn on auto determine input sensitivity. And once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and check it out. Now, I know some of you are still like, well, it's still not working. What you're going to do is go into your search here and you're going to look up audio settings. And it's going to bring up this. Now, up here, you're going to see output in your sound settings, and you're going to see input. It may be that your system itself has the wrong mic. You see how I have desktop microphone, my Rode video mic Go 2. Yours may be selected to the wrong one. So therefore, you are on the wrong mic on the system level. Make sure you not only select your correct mic on a system level, but make sure that your volume here is set properly. Since it's a mic, it's going to be sitting at around 0. I hope this guide helped you. If there's any other questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Take care.